Hi, welcome to the Commercial Gas Engineer channel. Here I am checking the windings on an air handling unit's fan motor. As you may already know, in order to check the windings, you make sure you've isolated the power and test and make sure it's safe. Then test your testing equipment, make sure that's safe, your multimeter. Then you disconnect all the connections, make sure they're completely loose, and then you test, like you see these colors here, how you have your brown, your yellow, your blue, and the same on the other side. And you disconnect all these nuts, these 6 nuts, and then you basically connect from the left to the right and try and find your windings. So you could start from the brown, for instance, on the left here, and then go from stage to stage on each winding on the right hand side, from the nearest here, and then here, and then here, until you get a reading on your multimeter. On this fan motor, I got about 3 ohms per on each winding. So I checked from, for instance, on brown here to the brown to white. Yeah, brown to white. The brown, I'm not sure whether they're like live 1 or W1 or etc, because I couldn't see anything on the unit. But I connected from here, from brown to, where are we, to the white over here, and then I got my readings, and then I went along to the next one and then searched until I got my next reading. So the yellow, for instance, and black over here, yellow and black gave me my ohms readings, and then up here blue and red in the middle gave me my next resistance readings. So do make sure that you disconnect these links, disconnect the bolts, and then test. All right, and to get your resistance readings to see what the windings are like. And the reason I'm here is because this inverter panel came up with fault 14, saying there was an earthing issue. So when I disconnected the motor, power to the motor, then the earthing issue stopped. So I felt that the problem lied with the fan motor, so that's why I'm checking the windings. And also taking it apart and re-putting it together may help with the connection. Yeah, so I hope that's helped you in some way. Remember to be competent in order to carry out your work and so on. And thank you for joining. Please leave a comment in the section below. Bye.